What's the matter, Cher? Are you okay? Oh, man. I can't remember a damn thing about last night.
Should we show her?
Show me what? What exactly is it that I did, guys?
Rogue, if we show you what happened, you must promise us that you don't freak out.
Oh, God, it must have been really bad. What did I do, go skinny dipping or something? I've got the video, Scott. Although I must warn you, Rogue, you guys videotaped the whole act. It's not very pretty. Well, unless you're into that sort of thing. And it's obvious that you two were. Oh, yeah, that's kinky. What is this? That's you and me? Oh, my God, I've never been so embarrassed in all my life. What was I thinking? Oh, God, I've got to get out of here. But, Rogue, what's wrong with chocolate sauce?
Hey, Rogue. What's happening? Man, you were hot last night.
Oh, no. You saw the video, too? Damn you!
The fuck is wrong with you? I was there. Don't you remember? Ugh, God damn it.
Wolverine, how could you let me do something like that? And Gambit let you videotape it, you fuck! I'm sorry. It's okay, Cher. I promise I won't put it on YouTube.